Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is like my morning routine and a very fruitful day. I start up my day with exercising with a particular YouTube channel, and this is me. I'm all done. I start my exercise like about 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. depending on the day and how I wake up. So this is like a day vlog in my life. This is what my morning routine really looks like. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please stay tuned. Just watch, get a chilled bottle of drink and enjoy. And as you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, the post notification button, and also the like button. The post notification button just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. In case you're new here, my name is Sophia. I love you. Enjoy the vlog. So interval day, I just take this water. It's a green tea water. It has pineapple peel, it has cinnamon, it has cloves and lemon and ginger. Then this is my breakfast. This is pineapple, cucumber, ginger, and also lemon. So I drink this as my water. This is my breakfast. So let's go.
Because I love you, KJMM Is that because I love you, KJMM Kachata? If you go check you where I'm at, I'm bombo your honey. If I join you, Melmo, I'm up on my phone. If you damn bossy, and I tell me, Sago, and I
So this is my smoothie. I usually take my smoothie before I eat anything on empty stomach. I would say for breakfast because after this I don't eat for a while till like evening or late afternoon. So yeah. So next I'm trying to make sandwich. I'm trying to make breakfast for people in my house. I have some kids that came on holiday, so I'm trying to make breakfast for them. So yeah, so this is me. I always wear my Get Fit for some hours after exercising before I take it off. I might not just wear the strap, I just wear only the belt because those straps are really tight. They don't let me breathe. So I just wear this for a while. It helps me feel myself. I don't know if it's just me, but I like putting chili in my sandwich because just so they enjoy it more, and the whole butter thing. So yeah, so this is me trying to make my sandwich, preparing, and the year.
I don't suffer no be small. Upon say I get sense. Poverty no good at all. Oh. Now him make I join this business. 419 no be thief. It's just a game. Everybody dey pay am. If anybody follow me good, my brother, I go jump am. National airport, na me get am. National stadium, na me build am. President, na my sister, brother. You be the mugu, I be the master. Oyibo man, I go chop your dollar. I go take your money, disappear. 419 is just a game. You are the loser, I am the winner. The refinery, na me get am. The contract, na you I go give am. But you go pay me small money, make I bring am. You be the mugu, I be the master. Na me be the master. Oh. When Oyibo play wayo, they go say na new style. When countryman do it, oh, him go dey shout, bring am, kill am, die. But Oyibo people greedy, them greedy. I say them greedy, them greedy. I don't see them tire. That's why when they fall enter my trap, oh, I dey show them fire. National airport, na me get am. National stadium, na me build am. President, na my sister brother. You be the mugu, I be the master. Oyibo man, I go chop your dollar. I go take your money disappear. 419 is just a game. You are the loser, I am the winner. The refinery, na me get am. The contract, na you I go give am. But you go pay me small money, make I bring am. You be the mugu, I be the master. Na me be the master. Oh. I don't suffer, no be small. Upon say I get sense. Poverty no good at all, no. Now him make I join this business. I don't suffer, no be small. Upon say I get sense. Poverty no good at all, no. Now him make I join this business. 419 no be thief. It's just a game. Everybody dey pay am. If anybody come, my brother, I go jump am.